As of June 30th, 2010, aircraft taxiing on a controlled airport will not be allowed to cross any hold line without a specific clearance from air traffic control. Previously, ATC taxi instructions to an assigned takeoff runway allowed a pilot to taxi past a hold line and cross a runway as long as it was not the pilot's departure runway.
November 2090 Whiskey Ground, taxi to runway 36 via Foxtrot, Delta, Bravo, Juliet. Ground 90 Whiskey, runway 36 via Foxtrot, Delta, Bravo, Juliet.
In this example, the pilot would be allowed to taxi across the hold line and cross runway 31, having the hold line act as a yield sign. As of June 30th, 2010, ground taxi operations will treat a runway hold line as a stop sign, and the pilot should expect to stop at any hold line unless the pilot has been instructed to cross or taxi onto that specific runway, cleared to take off from that runway, or instructed to position and hold on that specific runway. It is important to know that pilots must receive a runway crossing clearance for each and every runway that their taxi route crosses.
November 2090 Whiskey Ground, runway 36, taxi via Foxtrot, Delta, Bravo, Juliet, hold short, runway 31. Ground 90 Whiskey, runway 36 via Foxtrot, Delta, Bravo, Juliet, hold short, runway 31. November 2090 Whiskey Ground, cross runway 31. Ground 90 Whiskey, cross runway 31.
Remember, watch for holding position lines, expect to stop, and ensure you are cleared before you cross the line. If you do not have a clearance, once you've crossed the line, you've crossed the line.